Okay, this is a quick just run through of the Scangauge II and Midland MXT275 mount that replaces the ashtray in the 95 and later FZJ80s. Okay, it's going to come with some 3D printed plastic parts. There's going to have these two side rail inserts that basically you're going to take one of them and install it into the mount itself, and then take the other one and put it in the slot in the radio, and then you're going to need to slightly pry this outside edge in and push it in until it clips in and engages all three of these into the side of the mount. At that point, you can bend this tab down over the Midland logo here, and that'll keep the radio from sliding forward on the plastic mounts that I've made. All right, the two in combination should be all you need to safely mount that radio. It comes with two little plastic bosses here. Those are supposed to engage the voids here where the screws are in the bottom of the back of the Scangauge II. If you notice, they are taller than they are wide. Make sure the tall side goes up. My intention on our truck is to put a piece of double-sided tape here, and that should hold it, but be removable later if need be. All right, once you have that assembled, you don't have to have the Scangauge in there. You'll need to pull off your dash trim, and then this will mount to the back where the factory screws are. Give me a second, I'll grab a piece of trim. Okay, so this is an example of when it's bolted in. Just bolt it there and there. These are the little locating pins, and there's another pair of what do you call it, like nut cert type clippy things there or whatever, and just you can screw it in there as well, and that should be pretty stout. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.